Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa Aris with the fire elements. Lola Baby nagpapakilala. Isa lang pong like, shares, and subscribes. At this is a general reading, hindi po ito personal or private. If you want a private reading, feel free to email Lola Baby. Yan. So itong tinatawag na I will give you timeless reading sa mga natitirang linggo, kay araw-linggo ng buwan ng June at sa darating na month of July. Okay? So naririto your first and second energy, the 7 of spades, yan, to the 4 of clubs, yan, okay? So nakikita ko dito is more about you and them, your relationship to others, di ba? So ano itong relationship nyo sa iba? It's like nakikita dito yung tinatawag na growth, okay? Love, abundance, 'di ba? Yan. Sino itong mga kadil ninyo mga tao? Yan, it's like tinatawag na harmonize your energy and their energy. Yan ha, okay. So nakikita ko for some of you dito, yung tinatawag na pinahahalagan. Binibigyang importansya itong tinatawag your relationship to their relationship sa inyo. Okay? So iniingatan, it's like iniingatan ninyo pareho ang relationship na ito. Down tayo sa tinatawag na the 4 of diamonds. Yan ha. So ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, it's about your commitments, it's about your responsibilities, it's about you and them, di ba? Para mag-work out, para magkaroon ng tinatawag na success itong relationship na ito. Down to the tinatawag na the 3 of clubs, di ba? So ibig sabihin nito, the sun is it's like nakikita dito success ha, okay? Whatever is this, merong success, malaking success. It's like networking, di ba? It's like tinatawag na you gambled, they gambled, di ba? It's like pareho lang kayo, pare-pareho lang kayong naggambled. Ano itong ginambled ninyo? Yung tinatawag na isinugal mo at sila. Nakikita kasi dito, pare-pareho lang kayong sumugal, okay? So nakikita dito dahil namula, okay? Namula ang tinatawag na the 4 of diamonds, di ba? Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na it's about your duty and their duty. Yan. Yung inyong pananagutan at kanilang pananagutan, 'di ba? Yan, so nakikita dito. It's like tinatawag black and white, 'di ba? Kumbaga dito pare-pareho lang kayong mga matured adult kung ano itong pinasok ninyo. So nakikita dito, it's like tinatawag na they are motivated, you are motivated, inspired sila sa iyo, inspired ka from them, 'di ba? Yan. So nakikita dito ha. Yan. So gamitan ko lang ng ibang tarot. Tingnan natin itong tinatawag na the 7 of spades. Yan ha. Okay. It's about your relationship to them. Yan ha. So ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na, okay, nakikita dito, 'di ba? It's like true friends forever, a relationship that lasts forever. You are working very hard para itong relationship na ito is magtagal forever, okay? Ganon din sila, nakikita din sila, di ba? Pero nakikita dito, it is more than you who work very hard, di ba? Para sa relationship na ito is maglast, di ba? It's like tinatawag na hindi ka nagrereklamo. It's like okay lang kahit mahirapan ka, 'di ba? Nakikita dito, okay lang kahit ako'y magkadugo-dugo dito, magkasugat-sugat dito, basta sila na satisfied ko, 'di ba? Basta sila is happy, 'di ba? Yan. It's like ikaw ang nagpapatakbo, 'di ba? Ikaw ang lahat ng work sa iyo, 'di ba? Para magkaroon ng tinatawag success. Because nakikita dito, tinatawag, they are very, very happy sa inyo. They are very, very happy, tinatawag na relationship sa inyo, interaction sa inyo, whatever is this, commitment sa inyo. It's about your commitment to them, di ba? Yan. It's like nakikita dito yung tinatawag na your leadership, diba? It's like they give you a task, they give you a duty, an obligation. Ginagampanan mo, diba? Yan. Di ka nagrereklamo. Yan ha. So they seems very, very satisfied. Okay? Whatever is that, there is tinatawag na harmony between you and them. Diba? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na ang success nila, success mo rin. Diba? It's like, meron ditong kamayan, meron dito tinatawag na let's toast for a celebration. Let's toast for a victory. Yan ha. Pero nakikita dito, napakalaki ng iyong contribution. Kaya nagkaroon ng tinatawag na a toast for celebration. Diba? So you are always praying, okay? Na sana ito is pangmatagalan na, okay? Whatever is this, it's like tinatawag between you and them. Sana pangmatagalan na ito, 'di ba? Yan. So nakikita dito yung tinatawag na the four of swords. Nakikita dito, you have no problem. For the moment, you have no problem with others. To others. It's like, I have no problems with my friends. I have no problems with my siblings. I have no problems with my in-laws, with my mga hipagbayaw, pinsan, kamag-anak, magulang, kapatid, neighbor, society, sa trabaho. You have no problems. Yan ha. It's like nakikita dito yung tinatawag harmony and you are very, very thankful. Diba? Yan. It's like they are not complaining about your work, about your performance, about what you are doing to them. Yan ha. Okay. So you are always praying na sana ito is magpatuloy, magpakailanman, 'di ba? So kaya dito tinatawag na the world, 'di ba? Kung ano itong sinimulan mo, 'di ba? Yan. Sana ito is tinatawag maghatid sa iyo sa tagumpay. Yan ha, okay. Kung ano itong sinimulan mo, 'di ba? Sana ito yung tinatawag dumating ka sa panahon, halimbawa nagpension ka na, 'di ba? Halimbawa sabihin natin it's maybe it has something to do about your pension retirement, 'di ba? Yan no. Yan, 'di ba? So it's about your relationship. Kaya nagpakita dito si the world, okay? So ibig sabihin nito harvesting. Yan ha. If it is a project, if it is a work, kung ito man ay may time frame, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag magkakaroon ng success sapagkat aligned itong apat na energy ninyo. Diba? So kung ano itong pinaghihirapan mo, diba? It's like tinatawag, piniplease mo sila. Okay? It's like tinatawag na sumusunod ka. Okay, sa regulasyon, 'di ba? Yan oh. Kaya mayroon tinatawag the tree of celebratory, the tree of cups, 'di ba? Yan oh. Ibig sabihin nito, okay? It's like ito'y magmamanifest darating sa inyo. Yan oh. Tagumpay oh. Ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na you don't have to work very, very hard. Okay, it's like makukuha mo ang kanilang tinatawag na pagtitiwala, pagmamahal, kumpiyansa. Makukuha mo ang kumpiyansa, ang kanilang pagtitiwala. Yan, no? Kita ninyo. Yan, no? Manifesting the world. The world has something to do about graduation, finish contract, finish project, finish schooling, di ba? Yan. Raising children, maaaring dito for some of you, sabihin na natin, napagpatapos ko ang aking mga anak. Diba? That's why narito ka na sa tinatawag pagpapasalamat. Dahil your prayers, ibig sabihin nito, sa tagal mo, humihingi palagi ng awa sa Diyos na sana makatapos ang mga anak mo. Maybe it has something to do about the work of your husband, diba? Maybe it has something to do about your work, diba? About the health Okay? Your health, their health, whatever is the intention. Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag graduation. Graduation, yan no? Yan no, manifesting. If not this month, in the next month. Whatever is this, you are praying very hard na sana itong pinaghihirapan mong ito, di ba? Magkaroon ng tinatawag lasting, the result, abundance, fruition, luck.